Keep the line moving, gently now. Watch the spacing on the left.
Heart rate is strong, steady at 4/5.
EKG looks good. Scanning confirms no abnormalities in the flank.
Vitals stable, temperature 98.7.
Examination complete. He checks out healthy.
Okay, easy now. Pull it up slowly. Copy that. Coming up.
Make sure the tension is uniform across the surface.
It's secure now.
Excellent. The consistency meets specifications.
The texture is smooth here.
Yeah.
No issues on this run, looks good.
Hair removal complete. Surface quality is excellent. Confirmed. Documenting the successful run now.
The moisture levels are stabilizing right on target. Good, we can proceed to the conditioning phase.
The texture here is excellent. No signs of shrinkage.
Agreed, the suppleness is exactly what we aimed for.
Make sure the grain matches the laser line.
It looks straight now, ready for the cut. The calibration looks good on this batch. Confirmed. Confirmed, the edges are perfect. Thickness is consistent across the roll.
The color variation is within tolerance, matching the reference sample.
Logged as approved for finishing.
Quality check on batch 4B is complete. All parameters are within tolerance. Confirmed. We can release this lot for shipment.